Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level quick in Fisch. To achieve this rapidly, your primary focus should be on activities that yield the highest experience points. Always look for opportunities to stack experience boosters and buffs, as these can significantly multiply your gains. Furthermore, optimizing your character's gear specifically for experience acquisition will provide a consistent advantage, helping you reach the maximum level in a fraction of the usual time. Efficient questing is paramount. Prioritize main story quests and those marked with bonus experience. Don't shy away from grinding in high-density monster zones, especially those where you can defeat enemies quickly. Completing daily and weekly challenges offers substantial experience rewards, often providing a 20% boost or more, making them essential for rapid progression. Always check your in-game journal for these valuable opportunities. To truly accelerate your leveling, combine multiple experience buffs. This means using experience potions, scrolls, and temporary event bonuses simultaneously for exponential gains. Joining an active guild or party can provide passive experience bonuses, sometimes up to 10%, and allows for more efficient group grinding. Always activate your boosts before engaging in high-experience activities to maximize their impact. Your gear plays a crucial role in how fast you level. Seek out and equip items that specifically grant bonus experience gain, even if their combat stats are slightly lower. Upgrading your weapons and armor ensures you defeat enemies faster, indirectly boosting your experience per hour. Consider applying temporary enchantments or consumables that offer additional experience, even if they last for only 30 minutes, for those critical leveling pushes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.